The wood that was behind the gutter was all rotted out, and we had to replace it with fresh wood. Chances are the wood was rotted because the water was coming up and overflowing the back of the gutter and rotting out the wood. Another thing that can happen is when there's no drip edge installed, the water comes down the roof and can wrap around the shingle and then drip behind the gutter. 3 ways to prevent that: keep your gutters clean, install a drip edge on your roof, make sure your gutters are properly pitched so the water flows right. So what we do is we install a drip edge at the eaves, so when the water comes down, if it wraps around that shingle, it's gonna hit that drip edge with a special lip and push it back into the gutter. Think about when you're pouring a glass of water sometimes out of a mug into, say you're filling up your coffee maker, and you're going to pour that water in there, and then the water trickles down the back of the mug and onto your counter. It's like the same thing that happens when water's running down the roof. It goes, wraps around the shingle and can drip behind the gutter. That drip edge is gonna make sure that water has no choice but to go back into the gutter.